Hello friends, this is ProVG. Welcome to my channel. Today everybody is concerned about AI and its impact on the jobs. So, are you also worried about the job prospects in the light of AI? Spend some time on this life-changing video. If you are scared that AI will take your job, you are not being paranoid. A new report from 2026 on India's IT sector says that 65% of the companies have stopped hiring since they started using AI. Entry-level coding, data entry, and traditional BPO jobs are going away faster than anyone thought they would. AI is taking over tasks that are the same over and over, but people are spending more money than ever on real life experiences, and that change is making side jobs that machines can't do. A new front is experience economy. People in the experience economy value memories, learning, health, and human connections more than the things. And they are the people who are going to change the impact of AI. The life in 2026 is going to change in favor of experience economy. The economic survey of India shows that experience based industries like tourism, live entertainment, and creative services are growing quickly. People are spending less on things and more on experiences, both around the world and in their own neighborhoods. But here is a huge silver lining that no one is talking about. The physical and human world is getting a huge boost as the digital world becomes fully automated. Now we are officially in the experience economy. In the economy of experiences, people pay for things in the what they undergo as experience, like movements that stick with you, learning and changing, health and personal growth, fun and community. According to newspapers, live entertainment made more than 10,000 crores in India. There were 2.9 billion visits by tourists from other countries. Tourism provides 8.46 crore jobs, or 13.3% of all jobs. And here is the big change. People spent a lot more on experiences, which shows that their behavior has changed in a big way. People now like traveling more than gadgets, workshops more than shopping, wellness more than nightlife. Why AA can't take the place of experiences? AI can make things, but it can't replace feelings of the people, interactions in the real world, being there in person, building trust and empathy in the community, all the personal feelings. Even in the digital age, people still want to go to live events, travel, and do the things that are fun. People don't just want facts, they want to change and connect. Lot of side hustles emerge in the experience economy, which are AI proof, like local experience guide, heritage walks, food tours, village experiences. For example, Jaipur Heritage Walk costs between 800 rupees to 2000 rupees per person. Why AI can't take its place? Because it involves storytelling and being true to the area. What kind of sessions are there for well-being and mindfulness, like teaching yoga in parks, meditation circles, and workshops on how to deal with stress, and then tourism for health. It's also picking up quickly, and it is expected to double by 2030. Why AI can't replace it? Because it involves human energy and group experience. They are the core of this. Another area is workshops for skills and hobbies. You can teach painting, public speaking, the basics of budgeting, and how to unplug from technology. More than 55% of people spend money on learning. Why AI can't take its place? It needs hands-on learning. Another category is that you can organize small events like book clubs, community meetups, finance literacy sessions, and networking nights. Big events help the economies of whole areas. Why AI can't take its place? Because it has to do with social. Fifth area could be eating at home and trying new foods from other cultures. You can, as a business, you can offer meals based on regional cuisine, farm to table meals, and meals based on festivals. More and more tourists want to have real cultural experiences. Why AI can't take its place? Because of taste, culture, and hospitality. The sixth category is curating travel content and memories. You can offer services like vacation photography, reels and memory videos, and anniversary travel stories. People pay to keep more than just photos. Why it can't be replaced by AI? Because it captures real moments. The seventh category is the local green energy expert. Sustainability is not just a buzzword in 2026, it's a requirement for business and the government. The number of people looking for green jobs is growing almost twice as fast as the number of people who can fill them. Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities are actually responsible for up to 40% of the new green jobs that are being created, and you can become the link. You look at their property, do the math on the costs and benefits, connect them with reliable sonar installation companies, and help them figure out how to get government subsidies. AI can't climb a roof to check how strong it is, and it can't even sit down with a factory owner or a cup of chai to get them to go green. Eighth category, the hyper local interior and spatial designer. Hold on. Can't AI just make a room? Yes. In 3 seconds, I can make a beautiful 3D picture of a living room. But an AI render is completely useless when you have to build it. The real estate market in India is booming, and the new generation of homeowners wants homes that look good on Instagram but doesn't have time to deal with the mess. You get the idea. From the digital world, maybe even you can use AI to come up with the first idea, and then you make it happen in the real world. You got the exact materials you need from local wholesale markets. You are in charge of local painters, electricians, and people will pay a lot of extra money, easily 30,000 to 1 lakh rupees per project, just so you can take care of the trouble of managing contractors and getting materials. Execution is the most important skill that AI can't beat. The ninth category is the niche off-grid travel curator. Everyone has Make My Trip, and one can ask a chatbot for a 3-day itinerary in Jaipur. Why is there more demand for human travel agents? Because AI makes things up and popular book sites only show you crowded tourist traps. People who travel in 2026 want real local experiences. They want ecotourism, secret homestays, and cultural experiences that you can't find on Google. You might become the world's leading expert on secret hikes in Uttarakhand or historical food trails in Lucknow. You check the homestays yourself and get to know the local guides and make sure the route is safe. You charge a high planning fee to plan trips that are 100% verified by real people. Human curation is a luxury in a world full of generic AI content. Conclusion and call to action. The rules of the game have changed. Don't try to beat AI at simple digital tasks like coding or entering data. The Indian middle class will make money in the future through the physical world, connecting with other people and doing complicated things. Let the AI handle the boring digital tasks while you make money from the human experience. Which of these three experience economy jobs is the best fit for your personality? Please let me know in the comments below. If you want more data driven ways to protect your job in the future, click the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video with more exciting